You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can let crack jokes be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is my first time trying hair from Lally Hair, so I'm showing you guys what I got in the package. They sent over a wig cap, an edge brush, and a little hanger from my wig. I've never gotten that before. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so it's already ready. I'm showing you guys the pre-cut lace that it comes already done, and then the cap construction has 2 clips on the side, a clip in the back, and an adjustable strap. And I like that the adjustable strap is personalized and it says Lally on the inside. And then the strap also has like these little ridges on it so that it doesn't slip when it's on your head. I'm gonna start by tinting my lace. I'm using the Even Lace tinting spray in the darkest brown color, and then I'm also adding my foundation color so it can be the perfect shade. And then I'm just gonna try the wig. Like I said, this wig already came with everything pretty much done to it, so I'm not gonna have to do too much to it. I'm adding a little bit of powder to my hairline so everything can blend seamlessly. This is a 5x5 closure wig. It's 26 inches and the hair texture is water wave. Now I'm just adding a little bit of my wax stick to the top, and then I am hot combing the top nice and flat. Now I'm just mapping out my baby hairs. I'm going to add a couple of baby hairs to the front. I'm just going to pull them out kind of like with a line. Well, just watch how I do it, okay? I'm pulling them out like just a very small amount. I don't want to make them too thick, and then I'm going to cut them, and then I'm going to swoop them with my mousse. Okay, now we are going to make the curls pop. I'm showing you guys that this hair is super long. So I'm just gonna start by spraying water to the hair. Like I said, this is a water wave. My new favorite texture, like out of all the curlies, is water wave because it is really easy to maintain. It doesn't get like really puffy like some curly hair gets over time. It really keeps its curls and it's just beautiful from the top to the bottom. So I'm just adding the water, and as you guys can see, as I'm doing that, the curls are just starting to pop and just really come to life. I'm just going to frame my face a little bit, so I'm doing that on both sides, just pulling out a little bit of hair in the front and cutting my small amount of layers just so it can frame my face. It doesn't make that much of a difference, but it does. Okay, y'all, I'm just giving you guys some close-ups so you can see what the water wave looks like. I decided not to add any extra product to this. I just wanted to see how it would dry in its natural state, and I'm glad I didn't add anything to it because I wanted it to be nice and light and airy. You don't always have to add a lot of products to your hair. You don't want to weigh it down. So I'm just going to wait for this to air dry, pin it out of the way, and then I will be right back. I'm right back, y'all, and the hair is completely dry. It is beautiful. As you guys can see, it didn't get like super big. It really kept its wave from the top to the bottom. It's just like effortless, very beautiful curls. The hair goes all the way down to my waist. It is very long and beautiful. This is perfect vacation hair, everyday hair. I just think it's perfect summer hair because y'all know it's so hot and nobody feels like doing all that styling. This is perfect. You can just spray your hair, plop this wig on, and go. You can definitely wear it year round. It's just like a really easy wig. So right now I'm just tugging on the wig to show you guys that even though it's not glued down or anything, it is not going anywhere. So yeah, if you guys like this wig, like I said earlier, it is a 5x5 wig. It is pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, so you really don't have to do nothing to it, y'all. This install was super easy. All I did was added water and then just use my hot comb a little bit, and then the style is done. So if you guys like this glueless wig, I will definitely have the link down below in the description. Thank you, Lolly Hair, for sponsoring this video. Bye.
Don't step on the trip.